So hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to solve master theorem problems, time complexity using the master theorem method. So let's see. So as a default, you have the following expression: t of n equals to some a constant divided by b here, and d is right here, right? So this is just a default expression of the time complexity of some function, right? So where a have to be larger than 0, b have to be more than 1, and d have to be more or equal than 0, right? So, and you have right here you have three options, 1, 2, 3, which you will use based on the statements, right? Ifs. So, for example, let's solve the following problem: t of n. So t, let's say 2n divided by 3, okay, plus 1. Let's solve this. So have some time. So in all the problems, in all the options, you have log b of a, right? So we have to find out this. So what? So yeah, we have a, b, and d. A is just a constant in front of the t. B is the denominator of n in the t, and d is just a degree of n, right? By the way, we doesn't care about this theta. We don't need this, so only pay attention to this end. Okay, so in our case, we have A here, B is here, and D is somewhere here, okay? So in our case, we don't have A, so basically A is just 1. B is, so let's say 2 of n of 3 is the same as yeah, is the same as 3 divided by 2, right? Like this. So where 2 goes up and becomes this, right? So this is quite, this is just a math, right? So b is 3 divided by 2, and our d is n in terms of d, so d is just 0, because everything in degree of 0 is just, everything, and d is just 0 because everything in power of 0 is just 1, which we have here. So yeah, n was of power of 0. So let's make a log of b of a. This is log of 3, 2 of 1, which is 0, and d is also 0, right? This is a d, sorry. So in our case, d is equals to log b of a. Let's see, this is a case 2, this. So if d is equals to log b of a, then then our answer will be like this, okay? So our answer is theta n of d. D is, in our case, is 0, log n. So that's simply just like, which is simply just, right? So our correct answer is this, okay? You can apply the following formula, right? And solve the problems yourself. That's all for today. Thank you.